Okay, so this is the view from the deck of the Southwest Bar and Grill. As you can see, it's an amazing spot to go to and great views, and you should check it out. Ready? Okay, so as I mentioned in the last video, one of these days we're going to stop at the Southwester when we drove by. So today we did just that, and I got my son with me. I went out for lunch. Welcome back to the channel. We're just heading into Summerside. In the last video I mentioned Cool Breeze is a great place to stop and get some dessert, ice cream, whatever you like, and we're going to do just that. Lucy Maud Montgomery's house again back there, and we're going to take this road, the back road, Route 6, back into Kensington and then through to Summerside. Beautiful day on the island here. As we drive into Kensington and then down to the Cool Breeze, just sit back and enjoy the ride. I'll more than likely throw some music on. Hi, folks. I thought I'd jump in here and clear a couple of things up. Number one, it is not called the Sou'wester Restaurant. It's the Sou'west Bar and Grill. I don't know why I keep saying that. I'm formerly from Nova Scotia, so Sou'wester is a very common thing. Sou'west Bar and Grill. Secondly, we are actually on Route 6 here. In my last video, I said we'd be finishing up Route 6. We actually took a different route down through the back roads and left Route 6, but this is actually Route 6. It takes us in a different avenue. And as a new person to the world of GoPro and making these moto vlogs, my card filled and the actual video shuts down well before we get to the cool breeze. So that's where it's at. Thanks for tuning in. This is going to be a really short video here, but there's some nice sights and sounds, and I had the pleasure of having my son out with me, and hopefully we'll get out again soon and do some moto vlogging. Thanks again.